You won't believe how many used pickups will outlast the fancy new models sitting in dealer lots right now. Some of these trucks are so reliable, owners have kept them for 300,000 miles or more with nothing but basic maintenance. And starting with number 14, the Toyota Tacoma, 2005 to 2015. When it comes to mid-size trucks, nothing holds its value like the Tacoma. These models are known for bulletproof engines, simple transmissions, and frames that, after Toyota fixed its rust issues, can handle decades of use. Consumer Reports gave these Tacomas consistently high reliability ratings. It's not uncommon to see them sell for half their original price even after 10 years, while rivals like the Colorado or Frontier drop to scraps. One mechanic summed it up: buy a Tacoma, change the oil, and you'll be driving it when your grandkids are learning to drive. Number 13. The Ford F-150, 2011 to 2014, 5.0 V8. Yes, the F-150 shows up on both worst and best lists, but it depends on the year and engine. The 5.0-liter Coyote Vibe 8 versions from 2011 to 2014 are considered some of the most durable F-150s ever made. They don't suffer from the turbo problems of EcoBoost models, and owners routinely report these trucks hitting 250,000 miles with ease. Consumer Reports reliability scores for these years jumped back into above average, and resale remains strong. The 5.0 V8 is known for being the truck engine that just keeps going. Number 12. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Classic, 1999 to 2006, 5.3 V8. This generation of Silverado may not have the flash of today's trucks, but it's earned a reputation for being one of Chevy's toughest designs. The 5.3-liter Vortec 5.8 is known for running smoothly past 250,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. The 4-speed automatic isn't fancy, but it's far more durable than the complex transmissions that came later. Consumer Reports rated these trucks as above average in reliability, and owners still swear by their simplicity. Depreciation has slowed to a crawl. Many of these trucks hold value because people know they'll keep working for decades. As one longtime owner said, it might not win a drag race, but it'll get you to work for 20 years straight. Number 11. The Toyota Tundra, 2011 to 2016. The Tundra doesn't sell in the same numbers as the F-150 or Silverado, but those who buy one know its secret. The 5.7-liter V8 is practically indestructible. Owners have documented these trucks hitting 400,000 miles with original drivetrains. Consumer Reports consistently rates them as one of the most reliable full-size trucks of the decade. Depreciation is slow. Used Tundras hold value so well that a 10-year-old example often costs more than newer competitors. Mechanics often say, if you want to retire with the same truck you bought new, get a Tundra. Number 10. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, 2006 to 2010 Duramax Diesel. For heavy-duty buyers, the Silverado HD with the Duramax Diesel is a legend. The LBZ and LMM Duramax engines of this era are considered among the most reliable diesels GM ever built. These trucks are capable of pulling massive loads for hundreds of thousands of miles. Transmission durability is strong, and many owners report original powertrains still running perfectly after 300,000 miles. Consumer Reports gave them solid reliability scores, and resale remains high thanks to demand from farmers, contractors, and anyone who needs real muscle. Number 9. The Honda Ridgeline, 2017 to 2019. The first-gen Ridgeline struggled, but the second generation turned things around completely. These trucks are built more like SUVs, which means lighter-duty towing, but also fewer breakdowns. The 3.5-liter V6 is one of Honda's most proven engines, and Consumer Reports rank the Ridgeline as one of the most reliable trucks in its class. Owners love that they can rack up 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Resale is surprisingly strong too, proving that even if it's not a traditional truck, it's one that truly lasts. Number 8. The Dodge Ram 1500, 2009 to 2012, 5.7 HEMI. While many Rams struggled with reliability, this generation with the 5.7-liter Hemi Fiv 8 proved surprisingly solid. Owners praise its simple, durable design and strong towing capacity. Unlike later Rams with air suspension headaches, these models stayed fairly straightforward mechanically. Consumer Reports gave these years above-average ratings, and plenty of owners report hitting 200,000 miles with little drama. Mechanics often say the HEMI is thirsty, but it'll never leave you stranded. Resale is decent, but buyers know these trucks are the sweet spot before complexity ruined later models. Number 7. The Nissan Frontier, 2011 to 2019, 2013, 4.0 Phase 6. For years, the Frontier quietly built a reputation as one of the toughest mid-size trucks. The 4.0-liter V6 is a workhorse, simple, proven, and capable of running far past 200,000 miles. While Nissan left the Frontier largely unchanged for nearly a decade, that turned into a strength. Fewer changes meant fewer problems. Consumer Reports rated these trucks as above average in reliability, and owners often call them the cockroaches of the truck world. They just don't die. Depreciation was modest, and now these models are sought after by people who want a truck they can count on without breaking the bank. Number 6. The Ford Super Duty F250/F350, 2008 to 2010, 6.4 Power-stroke diesel. Not every diesel Ford is bulletproof, but the Super Duty trucks of this era are respected for their ability to haul massive loads while lasting for decades. The 6.4-liter Power-stroke had its share of quirks, but when properly maintained, these trucks often cross 300,000 miles with ease. Owners praise the durability of the chassis and suspension, which hold up even under punishing work conditions. Consumer Reports place them above average for heavy-duty reliability, and resale values remain strong. Farmers and contractors keep these trucks in demand, proving they're far from obsolete. Number 5. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2009 to 2013, 4.8, 5.3 V8. Chevy's half-ton lineup has had some bad years, but this generation with the simpler V8 engines is one of the standouts. These trucks avoid the oil-burning issues of later Ecotec 3 engines, and they're straightforward to maintain. Consumer Reports consistently ranked these years as better than average in reliability, and owners report racking up 250,000 miles without major trouble. Depreciation has been reasonable, but used buyers are starting to snap them up fast. For anyone who wants a reliable used Silverado without the headaches, these are the years to look for. Number 4. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD/3500 HD, 2011 to 2014, Duramax diesel. These heavy-duty Sierras share their platform with the Silverado HD, and they're just as durable. The Duramax engines in these years are legendary. Many are still working hard today with 300,000 plus miles. Consumer Reports gave them strong reliability ratings, and owners love their combination of comfort and capability. Resale values remain sky-high, especially in regions where towing power is king. One owner put it best: "I bought it to pull, and 12 years later, it's still pulling like new." Number 3. The Ram 2500, 2010 to 2012, Cummins diesel. The Cummins-powered Ram 2500 is the definition of a workhorse. These trucks are built to pull massive loads day after day, and the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel has a reputation for running 500,000 miles if properly maintained. While heavy-duty trucks often suffer from weak transmissions, these years of the Ram 2500 paired with the 68 RFE automatic or the G56 manual were known to be more durable than later versions. Consumer Reports reliability ratings were solid for this generation, and resale prices remained sky-high because demand never slows down. Farmers, contractors, and tow companies fight to grab clean examples, knowing these trucks will outlast nearly anything else on the road. As one owner put it, "The body might fall apart, but the Cummins never quits." Number 2. The Ford F250/F350 Super Duty, 1999 to 2007, 7.3 Power-stroke diesel. Talk to any diesel mechanic and they'll tell you the 7.3 Power-stroke is one of the most legendary engines ever built. These Ford Super Duty trucks are known to last 400,000 to 500,000 miles with regular maintenance. The engine isn't the most powerful by modern standards, but it's simple, overbuilt, and incredibly reliable. Consumer Reports consistently rank these years well above average, and resale values remain astonishing. A 20-year-old truck with hundreds of thousands of miles can still sell for tens of thousands of dollars. The 7.3 became so respected that owners call it the million-mile motor, and even today, these trucks are sought after more than some brand-new models. Number 1. The Toyota Tacoma, 1996 to 2004. No surprise here. The first-generation Toyota Tacoma has built a cult following for one simple reason: it just doesn't die. These trucks were smaller, lighter, and built with simplicity in mind. The 4-cylinder and V6 engines are both legendary for reliability, and many examples have surpassed 300,000 miles without major issues. Even after Toyota faced frame rust recalls, trucks with replaced or repaired frames have gone on to last decades longer. Consumer Reports rank them at the top of reliability charts, and resale values are outrageous. A 20-year-old Tacoma can still fetch more money than newer domestic trucks. Mechanics often joke the only only way to kill a Tacoma is to stop putting gas in it. That's why this pickup earns the top spot. A used truck that truly outlasts new ones. Not every flashy new pickup is worth the price tag. Sometimes the smartest move is finding a used truck with proven reliability. One that holds value, saves money, and just keeps going. So, which of these trucks would you trust in your driveway? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more straight-shooting car guides. And keep an eye out for our next video, the most overrated luxury SUVs ever sold.